Hello, Holly Vine English session. Today's session we have together grammar and vocabulary. We're going to learn a grammar lesson through a vocabulary lesson. So we're going to learn how to give personal information using the past simple. So let's continue. Before we continue, I want you to read this text, okay? And then we're going to talk about what do we need from this text. I'm going to read it for you. Today is a special day. I'm going to the monster truck show, then to the cinema. Yesterday, my friend and I planned for this day. My friend didn't want to go to the monster truck show, but I convinced her. Now she's interested in going. Okay. The thing I need from you right now is that I want you to underline the verbs in the past form. You know, of course, the past form. It's a verb. Sorry, not a verb. It's a subject plus verb ed, or it's irregular. You know, of course, the irregular. You're B1, so I think by now you know the regular verbs and the irregular verbs. The regular verbs are the ones that we put ed by the end of the word, like played, jumped. And the irregular verbs, the ones that we change them totally, like for example go, went, and so on. So I want you just to underline or just find the words that are in the past form with this form, the subject plus verb ed, or subject plus irregular verb ed, or in the past. So you have time now. Pause the video. Okay. We have planned, we have didn't want, and we have convinced, and I think that's it. Alright, now these are in the past forms, right? Okay, how did we know they're in the past form? Excellent, they are the form, which is, hold a second, let's just change the color. So we'll be able to, okay, no, let me get another one. Okay, so we have the ed, we have the didn't, and we have also the ed. All right, anything else? Is there anything that gives us a trigger or a hint that this is a past simple? Excellent, we have yesterday. Excellent, we have yesterday. And even my friend didn't want to go to the monster show, but I convinced her. Also, they're both are part of yesterday as a meaning. So this means that yesterday, the adverb yesterday, told us that we're talking about past simple. How also do we know? The form ed, didn't, and ed. Okay? Alright, this is just a warm-up to the past simple. So let's see what else. Okay, so the past simple, past actions that are completed in the past, means they finished in the past. And those are the words I use to express the past simple. Yesterday, last Tuesday, last Wednesday, last month, last year, ago, and the previous. Now you need to watch something. With ago, there has to be number of anything. For example, number of days, 5 days ago. Number of weeks, 5 weeks ago. Number of years, 3 years ago. So with ago, and pay attention with this point because you need it for another grammar lesson. So You need to know that with ago, you have to be a number of anything, number of days, weeks, months, years, number of events. So you have to remember this with ago. Okay? All right. So we have now vocabulary giving personal information. Complete the paragraph. I have from 1 to 9, sorry. Complete the paragraph with the verbs in the box. Use the simple past. So this means that all these verbs will be placed or will be put or be formed in the simple past. Okay? So, first things first, because you're going to do it, not me. Number 1, let's read these words or verbs together. Be born, and the reason there's be here, because you will change it and put it in the simple past. So whether it's going to be was or were, it depends on the subject. If it's I, he, she, it's going to be was. They, we, you, it's going to be were. Okay. Be into. Be into something means you like doing something. Be married. Be raised. Raised means you grow up in a certain place or with certain people. It depends on the situation. Be single. Celebrate. Live alone. Live with my family. Retire. Retire means you're not working anymore because you're older now. You're 60, 65, something like that. Okay. Step 2. Before answering this is what I used to tell my students. Before you answer the complete spaces, you need to read the whole text first. So we read the words and we're going to read the text. Don't answer. I'm just going to read the text with you. I'm going to give you a chance to answer. Okay? All right. I was born. So this one is used. We don't need it. I was born in Detroit. But in the country. My parents, brother, and sister on a farm. My brother and I, sports, especially baseball. After high school, I moved back to Detroit. In a small apartment, I didn't have any roommates. And I didn't have a girlfriend at that time. But I have a wife now, Alicia, and 5 years ago. And our anniversary last Wednesday. Anniversary, it's the day people got married and they remember this day every year. My parents took us out to dinner. A year ago, so they have a lot of free time. Okay, now I'm going to give you a minute, actually more than a minute, probably I'm going to give you more. Well, I think it's up to you, not to me. Pause the video and start answering, and I'm going to answer this so we can check it together. Okay? Pause the video now. Okay, so let's check it together. I changed the color, by the way. So I was born in Detroit, but I was raised. I was raised in the country. So the B is going to be was. Okay. I was raised in the country. I lived with my parents. I lived with my family, my parents, brother, and sister on a farm. My brother and I were into, because my brother and I, 2 people, were into sports, especially baseball. Baseball. After high school, I moved back to Detroit. I lived alone. Number 5. I lived alone in a small apartment. I didn't have any roommates. And I was single. Of course, was. Be here would be was. I was single. I didn't have a girlfriend at that time, but I have a wife now. Alicia and I were married. So this is 7. We're married. Be here will be were. We're married 5 years ago. And we celebrated our anniversary last Wednesday. My parents took us out to dinner. They retired a year ago, so they have a lot of free time. Okay, well, I hope you got that right. I hope it was easy for you. That's the end of our session. Thank you so much.